Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to calculate arithmetic mean using assume mean method. Although in calculating arithmetic mean, there are various methods by which it can be used to calculate the arithmetic mean. But in this tutorial, I want to adopt the method of assume mean method. Given the following frequency distribution table, we are going to use this table to calculate the mean by using the assume mean method. How are we going to do it? Firstly, we are given the class interval which ranges between 50 to 99 with the frequency 155, 100 to 149 with frequency of 150 up to the last class interval here between 400 to 449 with frequency 5. Then this x is the midpoint. How are we going to get it? Summing 50 plus 99 then divided by 2 is going to give us 74.5. At the same time, 400 plus 449 divided by 2 is going to give us 424.5. That's how this mean value was calculated. Therefore, in getting our assumed value, firstly we count all this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The class interval is 8. Therefore, we are going to divide it into 2. Firstly, you count from top 1, 2, 3. Then from bottom 1, 2, 3. And we have two class intervals that fall into the middle value with their respective frequencies 50 and 25 respectively. Out of these two frequencies, we are going to select our assumed mean values. Then in selecting our assumed mean value, we are going to consider the class interval with the highest frequency, which is 50. So therefore our assumed mean value is 224.5, as you can see it here. Therefore, we are going to apply this formula to calculate our assumed mean. X bar is equal to a plus summation f of x all over summation f. Therefore, anywhere that we see a, we are going to substitute with 224.5. Then, and before we go straight to the formula, we are going to do some mathematical manipulation. We are going to calculate the x prime. This is x, which is the mean value. Then our x prime is equal to x minus a, that is the assumed mean. Therefore, 74.5 minus 224.5 it gives us minus 150, and as well 124.5 minus 224.5 it gives us minus 100. Now this our value 224.5 minus 224.5 it gave us 0. That's why we have this value 0 up to the last number. This 224, which is assuming, is going to be a constant value all throughout this deduction. Therefore, our x prime now we now multiply with f, the frequency. That's how we got this value f times f prime. So minus 150 times 155, giving us minus 23250, and so to the last value 1000. Then we are going to sum everything together. Minus 23250 plus 1500 plus minus 1400 up to the last value, giving us minus 37150. That is summation of all this f prime x, and the sum of the frequency is 492. Then going to this formula, our mean value x bar is equal to a plus summation f of x all over summation f. Therefore, our a value is, which is assumed mean value, is 224.5. We are going to put it here, plus bracket open, summation f of x prime is this, minus 37150 all over 492, which is the frequency, summation f. Therefore, our S bar is equal to 224.5 minus 75.50813008. Therefore, our main value, which is S bar, is 148.9919 to 4 places of decimal. If you find value in this tutorial, remember to subscribe and like this video, then share it to reach wider audience across the globe in order to promote my channel. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.